Ever notice how your dog knows exactly where their kingdom begins? It's all about instinct. Dogs have this built-in sense of territory, a primal drive to protect what's theirs. They mark boundaries with scent, a clear stay out sign to other animals. A bark isn't just noise, it's a warning, a display of dominance. This behavior isn't about aggression. It's about security, ensuring their pack's safe and resources are secure. Understanding this instinct helps us create environments where our dogs feel secure without being overly territorial. What boundaries does your dog set? Share your stories in the comments.